Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life on your Lincoln MKZ. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure the car is in park for safety. Next, you will need to locate both the accelerator and brake pedals. This simple process helps maintain your vehicle's service schedule. Now, press and hold both the accelerator and brake pedals down at the same time. It's important to keep them fully depressed. Continue holding them for approximately 20 to 30 seconds. During this time, you should see a message on your dashboard display confirming the oil life reset is in progress or complete. This action signals the system to clear the reminder. Once you see the confirmation message, you can release both the accelerator and brake pedals. After releasing them, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Finally, start the engine to confirm that the oil life monitor has been successfully reset. This ensures the system is ready for your next service interval, giving you peace of mind. If the oil life indicator doesn't reset on your first attempt, simply repeat the steps from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second try to get the timing just right. Always refer to your owner's manual for any model-specific details or additional troubleshooting tips. And hey, for an effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.